Imagine wearing sneakers that feel like you're walking on clouds. Sounds good, right? But which ones in 2025 actually deliver that comfort? I've handpicked the most comfortable and stylish sneakers of the year. Whether you're on your feet all day, chasing comfort, or just want to upgrade your look, which pairs truly stand out and which ones should you skip? Let's break it all down. Stick around and let's find your perfect sneaker together. Number 5. Adidas Ultraboost 1.0. Imagine a sneaker that turns heads on the street and feels like you're flying when you run. That's the Adidas Ultraboost 1.0. It looks stylish from the first glance, but once you put it on, the comfort really hits you. The boost in the sole? It literally gives you energy back with every step. Walking doesn't even feel like walking, more like gliding. The upper hugs your foot like a second skin. It's breathable, flexible, and moves with you all day long. And those iconic 3 stripes, not just for looks, they keep your foot stable and locked in. People who wear it say just one thing: so comfortable. Whether you're hitting the track or just out and about, this sneaker shines in every situation. Adidas Ultraboost 1.0 isn't just a sneaker, it's a whole experience that pushes you forward with every step. Number 4. Hoka Bondi 9. Time to say goodbye to tired feet. If you're someone who spends hours on your feet, loves long walks, or runs for miles, this shoe might just be your new best friend. Introducing the most comfort-focused shoe from Hoka yet, the Bondi 9. And no, this isn't just a shoe, it's basically a comfort revolution for your feet. What makes it so special? Well, Bondi 9 has Hoka's thickest and softest cushioning ever. You know that feeling of walking on clouds? Yeah, this is exactly what that feels like. How thick is it, you ask? I won't throw numbers at you. Let's just say even concrete feels like grass under these. And thanks to its next-gen foam tech, it's not just light, it actually gives energy back with every step. It kind of pushes you forward as you walk, and you can totally feel the difference. The upper part, super breathable and eco-friendly. Even if your feet are locked in all day, they won't feel suffocated. And the outsole, built tough, like really tough. It handles wear like a champ, so this pair is gonna stick with you for the long run. Number 3, Asics Gelcayano 14. Imagine a shoe that's not just there for your workouts, but also has your back in everyday life, giving you comfort and confidence with every step. Plus, it's got a style that turns heads and makes it a must-have in street fashion. That's exactly what the Asics Gelcayano 14 is all about. This shoe isn't just loved by athletes, it's also a favorite among fashion enthusiasts. It perfectly blends that classic, retro vibe with today's modern trends. The moment you slip it on, it feels like it was made just for you, turning every walk into pure comfort. But the real magic isn't just in how it looks. The tech inside supports your every step, boosts your energy, reduces fatigue, and keeps you balanced no matter what. Whether you're out on a long walk or just hustling through your day, this shoe's got your feet covered and comfy all the way. In short, the Asics Gelcayano 14 isn't just a shoe. It's a true companion that takes your performance and style up a notch with every step. Number 2, Nike Vomero 18. Running isn't just a sport. Sometimes it's an escape, sometimes it's therapy. But what really makes it enjoyable is the comfort under your feet. This pair, it's built to keep you going. The moment you slip them on, you feel it. Soft, supportive, and ready to move with you. Even on longer runs, your feet stay happy and you don't feel like stopping. People who've been using them say they still feel great even after weeks of running. It's one of those shoes that feels so light and comfortable, you kind of forget you're even wearing them. Sure, it's not perfect for everyone. Some might find it a bit on the heavier side or wish it were more flexible. But if comfort, support, and long-lasting wear are what you're after, this one totally delivers. Number 1, Brooks Glycerin Max. The moment you slip your foot into this, you won't want to wear anything else. The Brooks Glycerin Max isn't just a running shoe, it's where comfort and performance come together like magic. What makes it stand out? It gives you super soft landings and springy takeoffs. It's like there's a suspension system under your feet. Every step feels smoother, lighter. The heel cushions you like a cloud, while the front gives you that extra push forward. So you're not choosing between comfort and speed. You're getting both. The upper is made of a breathable mesh that keeps your feet cool, while the padded tongue and heel collar wrap around your foot perfectly. It doesn't just fit, it supports. And thanks to Glide Roll Rocker tech, your transitions from heel to toe feel effortless. You're not even thinking about your stride. You're just moving forward naturally. Long runs, recovery jogs, or a quick loop around the neighborhood, Glycerin Max is built to keep up without wearing you down. Bottom line, once you try Glycerin Max, there's no going back. It's that kind of running experience.